So how do you lock your Notes app on the iPhone? And let's get started. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, you can subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are like two levels to this. First of all, you can lock individual notes by getting inside of that note, tapping on the three dots in the top right corner, and you can click on the lock option, right? So you will have the ability to lock it with a password, right? And you can set up a brand new one or use the iPhone passcode, however you like it. But that's like only for individual notes. If you want to download, like lock the whole note application, well, you can hold down on it as an icon on the home screen and click on the option which says require Face ID. So naturally, if your iPhone uses Touch ID, it's going to say Touch ID. But the point is that the app will be locked away and you will not be able to get inside unless you scan your face again or authenticate yourself with the biometrics. So you do it once to get inside of the phone, like for the first time to unlock it, and then you have to perform it again to get inside of your specific applications. In our case, it would be the Notes app. So as you can see, there are like more levels to this. So I would really appreciate your feedback to, if you let me know if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end. Subscribe for more upcoming videos and tutorials like this one, and that way you're not going to miss anything important, and I'll see you later in those videos. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.